as I said, I am surprised slightly that they're pulling out the 20-minute board, but there are still plenty of barrier repairs going on, so I don't expect that we're going to get going within the next 2 or 3 minutes. I could be proven wrong, but yeah, the Orange Army and all the officials and volunteers do work miracles when it comes to these sort of things to try and get us racing quickly again. So a big thank you to everyone who is involved in that barrier repair, as well as obviously all the recovery work and all the safety that you do around the circuit each and every week. It is brilliant to have you along.
Yes, well said indeed. British Motorsport Marshals, the best in the world. They're working away up there to get the barrier and the tyre wall rebuilt at the moment.